Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a client-side image compressor tool editor directly in browser. It's actually for only PNG images, so if you are looking forward for compressing, optimizing your images, PNG images, you can check out this tool. I've also deployed this. I've given the link in the description. You can check out the live demo. So it's actually built inside HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It's directly runs in the browser. So this is actually the link here. In the description, I've given the link. So once you load the application, the interface will look something like this. So here you simply drag and drop your PNG files, images, and one by one, it will actually process each image one by one. So this is the first image reduced from 500 kilobytes to 95, and this one is reduced from this. So you can individually click save button, or you can download all the images in a zip file. So your output file is downloaded. So if you need the source code of this application, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it, and before purchasing it, you can actually try out the tool. So it's actually built entirely in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is a client-side image compression tool. So a single index.html file is there. So you can just see here. So this is actually the tool here. So inside VS Code, you can simply start with open with live server. So we're running it locally. So again, you repeat the process. You select a bunch of PNG images, and after that, it will compress all the images for you. It doesn't have a backend. It is all processing directly in the browser. So that's why it's a client-side image compression tool, entirely built in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and after purchasing it, you will get the zip file. So it also provides you with the total how much it compressed, 73.9% of reduction. So check out the link if you're interested in this. You can directly purchase it.